Hi everyone, in this video we'll see that how we can transfer a project data from one project to another project. So right now let's start by opening one new Revit project. So I click on new, I'll select system default metric and click on OK. So we are creating one new project as of now, and we'll do some changes in that one, and then we'll create one more project and we'll transfer the previous project data to the new one. Okay, so right now we can do anything in this one. For example, I'll go on families. I want to create a new duct system. Okay, so I'll click right there. For suppose I want to create kitchen exhaust duct, so I'll rename it as kitchen exhaust duct, and I want to change the color as well. We can change all those kind of things, but right now I'm just changing the color of this one. I want this one to be magenta. I'll click on OK, and OK. So we have created a new ducting system in project 1. Okay, now I'll press Ctrl N to create one more new project. I can select any template. Right now I'm selecting this one because I know that in this one we'll get all MEP, so that is why I'm creating this one. I'll click on OK. Let it open, then we'll see. Now we'll cross verify in project 2. We'll cross verify that there is no kitchen exhaust duct right there. Okay, now what we'll do in project 2, in which one we wanted to import all the project standards from project 1. So what we'll do, I'll click on manage, we'll click on transfer project standards. Right here, all these are the what we can say, the settings that we can import from one project to another project. Okay, so all these kind of things are right there. We want only ducting system as of now because we have edited the ducting system in project 1, and we want the same one in project 2 as well. So I'll click on check none. I'll go with the ducting systems only. Right here you can see duct system types. I'll click on OK, checkbox right there, and I'll click on OK. Now right here you can see the kitchen exhaust duct is created right there automatically, or what we can say, it's transferred from project 1. Right click, let me check the color as well. It should be right there. Yeah, the color is also right there. So that is how we can transfer project standard data from one project to another project. And we can not only import export ducting system. There are a lot of more features that we can import and export, all those kind of things from one project to another project. You can check those out, like filters, templates, all those kind of things we can do. So it will take it will be very beneficial for us while we are working on multiple projects at a time. I'll say not multiple projects on a single project, but multiple Revit models on which we want the same standards as we are following in another Revit model. So in that scenario, this feature, transfer project standards feature, will help you in that scenario, so that you do not need to create the same set of the standards every time for every Revit model. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching.